Good morning from Strasburg, Virginia. I am back here at the Strasburg. I keep wanting to say strawberry. Strasburg Antique Emporium, which the last time I went, we realized it had a huge facelift. So I'm excited to be back. Let's go in and see what they got. They had some epic finds here last time. And then I see they got all this stuff out here. The Santa's fun, some paintings. Some really amazing peach blow pieces. Looks like Steuben in the middle there. Cute little case with all the cats and jewelry. I love the paper mache snowman candy containers. This guy's really unique. He's got a little wear to him though. Easy repair. Just like stick his arm back in there. $19, that's a really good deal. And then here, this is a pretty one. Pilgrim glass. All right, brace yourself. This is like the case. I'm really excited to be back here. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna not peek and just go shelf by shelf. Some insane pieces. Now this in the front. European pull loop art glass vase. $250. God, that's gorgeous. Look at this one. $375. Palme opal glass. I wonder if that is... No, it's not. The one in the back is for sure. That one is something really intense. It's got a $950 price tag on it. Custard glass vase. I really liked this one, the Rinskoff. That one's at $350. It's so pretty with the flake. I actually, oh gosh, I can't remember what that's called. Oh my gosh, that's gonna drive me nuts. I got a vase at the Carlisle Glass Show that had that effect. That's really nice enameled. It's unique. Some more European pieces. This looks like Lotes. Yes, it is. $125 on that. That's pretty awesome, actually. Wait, 25% off? Dude, that's a really nice Lotes one. And here's another tiny little Lotes. What's this one? I like the black and white Lotes one. It's not something you see every day. And then these opaline ones, they look Italian, but they're actually French. The serves, really amazing. And then, let's see, what's that? Rare Linthean glass vase, early 20th century. This rainbow piece I can't ignore anymore. This is amazing. Opaline rainbow glass bohemian or English circa 1890. Wow, that's amazing. And check this thing out. Lotes cobalt. I've never seen that. Now this Lotes packet, this is amazing. This blue one, but the tango, like the black and orange, that is something else. That's a really crazy piece. I saw one of those go for just a little over $8.95 actually. The $8.95's on that one, on the bay. Wow. Such quality stuff. And then this is a crazy piece too. Check this thing out. Herrick Harmer. Man, I wish I could read their writing a little bit clearer. There's another black and white Lotes. Really amazing. Yeah, so this little three-handled Lotes vase I'm gonna take out. It comes to $95 after the discount, $94 actually. It's a really good deal. And then I'm also looking at this piece back here. Lehman France enameled glass. That's so pretty. I'm just curious about it more than anything. I don't think that's gonna be, no, it's not uranium. Oh, the rainbow glass, that's pretty epic too. Some really special pieces in here. Gonna finish the rest of these cases over here before I get a key. I like that threaded perfume bottle. Some cute little kitschy stuff. And then we move into the jewelry. I see some Bakelite over there. The tags are facing the wrong way, so I can't see how much it is. I love this little Van Briggle. So sweet. See the 5-finger back there? It looks like 65 firm on that. And then this is a really great bracelet. So fun. 32 on that one. All right, so I did grab the little 3-handled one, but it's actually this one. I'm thinking about doing a little bit more homework on it. I think it's absolutely stunning, and after the discount, it comes to $225, which there's definitely some room in that. The question is still yet to be answered of how much room would it be worth it. I think it's amazing. I am gonna continue to, I've just walked in, I've made it like to one booth. So I'm gonna keep going and revisit that booth at the end. And I remember this booth, they had amazing jewelry. I love the cameos back there. That one back there, that ring, it's really unusual with like the mother of pearl, the pearl in it. Now this micro mosaic, that is absolutely gorgeous. That's a super old one. That one's at $135. It's a really unique micro mosaic. God, so pretty. I love the comic ring. Oh my gosh, that's the best. Oh, I'm like not even in focus. Yeah, the comic ring is probably my favorite. And of course, I remember this cute little kitschy booth. Nice mix of newer things and vintage. Still got all the Christmas out, of course. I like the owl plaques. Those are so funny. Some more Fenton and imports. But over here, check this guy out. Really nice Latticino paperweight. I looked at the Maton Studios last time. I actually like the blue one, but I decided to pass last time. I love that kind of iridescence to it, and the shape is great, but I'm gonna keep on going. Really pretty Indiana glass. Some uranium. Looking for those unique pieces that stand out though. And the pink, I love that it's color coordinated. Oh my gosh, the apron, so pretty. Some plants. And then the blue, I love this blue coin dot. That is so pretty. $70 on that. I think that's just, yeah, that's just for the vase. This is a fun booth. I like this pink elephant. What is it, a picture? Yeah, that's fun. 22 on that. Canal. Some really pretty Fenton hobnail pieces. 39. Prices aren't bad. The whole pottery with the butterflies. I actually like these little fan vases. Pear, I don't think those are custard glass, no. Really pretty. Now, I like this milk glass piece. And the, the hobnail on it is super spiky, which means it's got more age to it. Some cute little dollhouse items. I like this little like yarn spun figure. I like have such a weakness for things like that. Some really unique pipes in here. Looks like black glass. $20. All the little trinket boxes. I like the cat with the teacup. Some Limoges scattered about in there. The cat's $195, so it will not be coming with me. But check out this booth. Some really nice high quality things and some more jewelry. I feel like I've been trying to get more into buying more jewelry. Of course, I'm partial to Bakelite and Italian stuff. I don't do like a lot of the costume, just simply because a lot of it has nickel in it, and if I got stuck with it, I'd want to wear it. So it's like a lot of people have nickel allergies. Mine's super severe. I've tried everything, including the nail polish thing. All right, I see something calling me over here. Check out that Fenton Rosaline vase and that Fenton perfume. That is so pretty. The perfume's at 89 and the Rosaline's at 99. And some really pretty hand-painted shoes. Here we're getting into more of the funky mid-century glass. I like the Fenton Santa Claus fairy lamp. That's at 75. That's a pretty good deal if you're buying that for yourself. I don't see a discount sign, so I can't really do anything with it for resale. Love this lamp. The shade on that is amazing. And then this is really a pretty shape. And then some Blinko. I think this is Blinko too. Yeah, Blinko Lotus. The gold lady is pretty fabulous. Some great artwork on the wall here. I'm definitely into the tulip set, the table and chairs. What is that, Saarinen? I'm not sure. I don't think this is original, but probably not actually Saarinen, just a Saarinen design. And the Christmas cat apron. So cute. I had a couple of those last year and they went wild. And then I see the big swung. I'm gonna get on the other side of it to see how much it is. Oh my gosh, look at this face. This is insane. This is so cool. She's got such a great shape to her. You could see that in like Florida. All right, let's see what it says. $250. It's a pretty good deal if you're buying it for yourself. Let's see what else they got back here. It's nice and calm. Last time I was in this section, it was crazy back here. Gosh, it just keeps going. What I'm referring to is every time I turn around, there's like another wing. I got like really confused in here last time. The expansion is insane. Ooh. Knaw cat. $20. That's not bad. 25% off all Christmas only. I love the Blendo glasses. Those are a great shape. You don't see those ones every day. These birds are really pretty. I think those are imported. You can tell because of the base. If they were Murano, they'd be polished. What's this one? Vintage Nook dealer. I'm not sure about that. $25. I kind of want to peel back the sticker a little and see if there's a signature or pontil under there. Well, there's no signature that I can see, but just as I suspected, that's definitely hand done. It's got really nice color to it. I think for $25, is there an extra discount? Oh, I think that's really pretty. I think that's gonna have to come with me. Looks like it almost has a little heart in it. All right, this booth is like another one of my top faves. Check out what's going on in here. Miss Dainty, creamer and sugar, as is, 65. I'd have to see what's as is about it. It's the little red bow tie caterpillar. It's a single shaker. It's 24. That's pretty hard to come by. So is the Joseph Originals B. The Joseph Originals B go for good money, and they know it. That one's at 75. Now I see this Valentine's Day planter down here. Those are big money. I'm sure they're aware. 95 firm, yeah. That's probably about what I'd get out of that after fees. I do love this Dice salt and pepper shaker set. That's so fun. 32 on that. Nice swung. 160. I like the 5-finger actually. That one's at 65. That one's got a wild mouth on it. I don't know why, but I'm kind of particularly drawn to this little oil lamp. Some really nice vintage hats back here, but this one's definitely the best. Check this one out. That's so great. All right, here's another one that I really like. Look at that cranberry apron. That's gorgeous. Now, look. Oh, my God. The Nancy Dome. That's amazing. Now, I'm not sure about that Gallet. I don't know. That looks like it's probably a repop. What is this little one? Robert Held. Whoa, now that's the real deal. Check out that Dom. That's amazing. And these are so neat too. Pair of antique vase glass dishes. 65. The enamel painting isn't as grand as I'd like it to be though. Now that is a great Bakelite flatware set. Well, I spotted one of my favorite things. Look, it's the Czechoslovakian moon mug. 35. That's about what I get out of mine. Gosh, they're so great. I love the faces on those. Kind of like some of this pottery. This is a fun pair. And then this vase looks very 80s. Man, if I didn't have my shoe glue allergy, I'd be walking away with these for sure. How freaking cool. That's a pretty fused glass handkerchief face. What is going on with the Frankenstein? 45. Something tells me that's special. It's got some wear on it, but that's definitely different. Chalkware Frankenstein. Now, what is that brooch? Scottish brooch. Really different. I'm kind of into this lamp. It doesn't look like it's correct maybe, but the faces on it and the etched starbursts are really neat. What's this lucite situation? Guess it's just some lucite blocks. And a really nice case of uranium. That is really beautiful. It's missing a stone, unfortunately. So far, that's my favorite piece in the case I've seen, although I do love the perfume bottles. They're kind of where they need to be, though. Some amazing lamps. Speaking of lamps, that's a particularly nice Fenton one. That one's at $375. Hager Cat. $225. Awesome. And then they have some really fun jewelry. I love the metal enamel daisies. 25 and 24 though. Okay, this is amazing. Like, look at this with the Bakelite. Ice bucket. Gosh, that's so cool. I'm kind of beelining towards the statue though. Holy smokes, that's amazing. I don't think I've ever seen one that big. I think it's at 800 something. Yeah, $895, and that's from a store display. It says 1980s. It definitely doesn't feel like the original. Some really amazing Art Deco stuff in here, though. I think the ice bucket's probably my favorite. Another case of uranium, more jewelry. Really pretty, all kind of close to where it needs to be. It's kind of amazing to see it all together, though. I love the cameo. $125 on that. Amazing slag glass. What do we have here? This looks Italian. Cat planter. Is it Italian? I'm just curious. Made in Italy. Yes, very cool. $49 and 49 pounds. I think I'll leave it, but really neat. Now, before I leave, I did want to give this one more look over. God, that's amazing. The big black and white. I don't really want to mess with that, though. I kind of like the small 3-footed one better. Just some really amazing pieces. You know, what was that one? Oh, gosh. Yeah, that opaline one is just insane. And this looks like Moser. It is, yeah, Moser. I think that's the best, though. I do love the blue, but I think I'm gonna leave it this time and take my 3-footed vase and carry on. Wow, it is nice outside. Another great trip to the Strasbourg Emporium. I'm gonna hop in the car, get on the road, and get on the road, and I'll see you guys at my next stop.